Today I'm going to show you how to set up a proper 301 redirection for your WordPress site using an easy, reliable plugin. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to forward visitors and search engines from an old URL to a new one with just a few clicks and no scary code changes. This is perfect if you've changed a page's address, restructured your site, or simply want to avoid those pesky 404 errors. Let's jump right in and I'll walk you through every step. To make this process as straightforward as possible, I highly recommend using a plugin rather than editing server files directly. Most people want a solution that's not only effective, but also easy to adjust if things change down the road. There are a few plugins out there you could use like 301 Redirects, or built-in features in popular SEO plugins such as AIO SEO or Rank Math, but for today we're going to use one called Redirection. It's extremely popular, free, and trusted by thousands of WordPress users. To get started, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. At the left-hand menu, look for Plugins, then click on Add New. In the search field, type in Redirection. When it appears, hit Install Now, and once it's finished, click Activate. This only takes a moment or two, and WordPress will confirm when the plugin is ready. Next, you'll need to access the plugin settings. Up in your dashboard menu, hover over Tools, then select Redirection. If this is your first time using it, you'll be greeted by a setup wizard. The wizard helps the plugin configure a few basics, like whether it should monitor posts for URL changes or log redirection hits. Just follow the prompts, take a second to read through the options. Most default settings work well, and once you finish, click Ready to begin. Now you're set to add your first redirect. In the main redirection screen, you'll see a section called Add New Redirection. Here, you'll enter the source URL, which is the old path you want to redirect. Let's say you had a page at old page and you want visitors to land at your updated page instead. In the source URL field, just type old page. Then in the target URL field, put the full new address, for example, https://yourwebsite.com/new page. It's important to use the complete target URL, especially if you're sending traffic to a different domain so there's no confusion. When everything looks good, click Add Redirect. The plugin will save your new rule and it's active immediately. This means that every visitor and every search engine that tries the old address will get sent to the new one without a hitch. If you're managing a site with lots of changes, you can add multiple redirections here. It's just as quick. Before you close the tab, let's always test to confirm things are working smoothly. Open up an incognito or private browser window, then paste in your old URL. You should be instantly routed to the new destination page. If it doesn't work, double-check that you typed the URLs correctly. Small typos can cause big headaches, but don't worry, you can always edit or remove redirects in the plugin settings. And that's it. With just a few simple steps, you've set up a professional 301 redirection in WordPress, keeping your site visitors happy and your search rankings intact. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button, and be sure to drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into issues. I love helping out. And if you want more easy, step-by-step website tips, don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching. See you next time.